Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about branching in UML activity diagrams. Branching can be used to define logic that conforms to the expected behavior. I am Tedu Digahayu, at the undergraduate program in Informatics, Universitas Islam Indonesia. How to design the behavior aspect of software. Execution flow in an activity can split or merge. The UML activity diagram provides for branching notations, namely, decision, fork, merge, and join. We will learn each notation one by one. A decision selects one flow from several outgoing flow to execute. A decision is depicted as a diamond with one incoming flow and several outgoing flows. In other words, a decision has one source action and several target actions. In the example here, the action of receive order is the source action, while the actions of send order and send rejection are the target actions. Guards, or the conditions for the selection, can be written on the outgoing flows. These guards determine which outgoing flow to select. When a guard is met, the associated target action will be executed. In the example here, after the action of receive order completes and the order is accepted, the action of send order will be executed. Meanwhile, the action of send rejection will not be executed because its guard is not met. On the contrary, if the guard of the action of send rejection is met and thus executed, then the action of send order will not be executed. A decision may be without guards or conditions. In the example here, after the action of receive order, there is a decision that leads to the action of receive cancellation and send order. Action that is executed first will deny the possibility of other actions to be executed later. If after receiving the order, and cancellation occurs or the action of receive cancellation is executed, then the action of send order will never be executed. And vice versa. If the action of send order is executed, then the order can no longer be cancelled or the action of receive cancellation will never be executed. So, the choosing of outgoing flow depends on which action is executed first. The next notation is fork. A fork executes all outgoing flows. The execution of target action does not have to be simultaneous or at the same time. A fork is depicted as a solid thick line, with one incoming flow and several outgoing flows. The line can be vertical or horizontal. In the example, after the action of receive order is executed, the actions of send order and send invoice will be executed. Whether the execution of those target actions will be done simultaneously or one after another, it is left to implementation. The next notation is merge. A merge brings together multiple incoming flows into a single outgoing flow without synchronization. Merge has several source actions and one target action. The execution of the target action does not wait until all source actions have completed. When one of the source actions has completed, the execution of the target action can be started. Like the decision notation, a merge is depicted as a diamond. The difference is that, in a merge, there are several incoming flows and only one outgoing flow. In this example, the source actions are deliver order and cancel order. The target action is close order. The action of close order can be executed when one of the source actions has completed. If the action of deliver order has completed first, then the action of close order can start to execute. On the other hand, if the action of cancel order has completed first, then the action of close order can start to execute. Note that, a merge notation allows the target action to be executed more than once. In the example, the action of close order can be executed twice, if both source actions have completed, but not at the same time. For example, the action of deliver order has completed, then the action of close order is executed. Some time later, the action of cancel order has also completed. So, once again, the action of close order is executed. And, the last notation is join. A join brings together multiple incoming flows into a single outgoing flow with synchronization. Join has several source actions and one target action. The execution of the target action must wait until all source actions have completed. Thus, the target action will only be executed once, that is when all the source actions have completed. Like the fork notation, a join is depicted as a solid thick line, either vertical or horizontal. The difference is that, in a join, there are several incoming flows and only one outgoing flow. In the example, a join has two source actions, namely, deliver order and receive payment. The action of close order as the target action will only be executed once when both source actions have completed. This was an explanation of branching modeling on UML activity diagram. The notations discussed here are decision, fork, merge, and join. Thank you.